Well folks, not quite the videos we'd hoped for. First off, I've left the helmet cam footage in Amsterdam, swapped cards over in one of the pubs for trying to do a quick video on my phone, and I've left the card on table. Didn't notice till we got home basically, but that's where it's gone. Face selfie camera, we've got loads of corrupt files on it, they just won't play. So all we can do is make best of what we have got. So that's probably why you're watching these pictures now while I'm talking nonsense for a minute, so you can see it before the music ends, you know what I mean? Anyway, thanks for the lovely messages about Monty Dog. It was an absolute shocker. 3 days into the trip he was ill. On the 4th day I get put to sleep, which absolutely destroyed the trip. But without further ado, here we are. We had 5 days in Lamoto. On the 3rd day we had a trip out to Rocamadour, which was 42 degrees. We were on foot, absolutely sweltering. So this is the video you're going to watch now. So sit back, get a brew and enjoy you. See you in a bit.
Ready?
Oh.
Ooh. Oh my god. How hot am I?
How are we doing?
How fantastic is that?
Welcome. Did you private to do that? I know. Well, good morning folks. Out on a ride to Rocamadour today. It's 32 degrees at the moment. It's meant to touch 43 today. It's sweltering. It's about what, half 11 now, half 11 in the morning. But look at this for the view. Don't know if you'll pick it up on camera proper, but that's Rocamadour there. So we are going to drive up this side road here, stop there somewhere, and then we're going to go into the town. And we'll take you with us. Faye's looking tall on a rock.
I'm on top of the world.
How warm is it?
These things.
She's got a Kevlar leggings on. She's roasting. In black as well.
Yeah, should have just put me Italian jeans on.
Anyway, let's get to the car park and then we'll go have a reach around Rocamadour.
See you soon.
And of course I know it's so hard for you. I raised your expectations, and it's sad and sweet to say love is unpredictable and fades away.
Found another piece of paradise, but it is so hot.
Hot? Fucking hot!
Ridiculous.
I'm lathered. Yeah, give it here. I'll take you for a walk. Come on. So we've got a big cross there. We've got Faye there, repping the merch.
How are you?
No, honestly, folks, joking aside, I was only having a giggle. It's about 42 degrees. It's
Whatever
ridiculous.
You do, don't touch
Yeah,
that.
don't put your hand on any metal. It's shocking, isn't it? Shocking. It's
So we
electrified.
have Le Chateau.
Le Chateau in the Rocamadour.
In the what?
In Rocamadour, that's where we are.
I'm sure you. Oh, right. You don't make it up, do you?
That was actually, I know it said shut the door, but it's called Rocamadour. So there's a big campaign place up there. It's massive though, huge. There's the chateau. We're going to walk down a squiggly path that takes you to the bottom and takes you into the city, or whatever it is, the town. It's stifling. It's ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah. It is ridiculous.
Like Peter Kay said, I like it hot, but not this hot.
Yeah.
Oh, sweaty cobs. Cobs are coming off me. Garlic bread. Garlic bread.
Oh, I could just go a nice piece of garlic bread.
I know, you chunk. It's been a bread fest this morning, hasn't it?
Only for you.
Only for me.
I had fruit and yogurt,
Yeah, after you'd had your bread.
half a piece.
Half a piece. So what it looks like we're doing,
It's going the wrong direction.
no, we're doing a ziggy-zag. Ziggy-zag all the way down there.
Oh no, we should have gone to the chateau first.
Good way. Right,
Yeah.
right folks, I think we're changing direction. See you in a bit.
€2, and it gets you into the chateau grounds.
We're at the apples and pears or what? Are you seeing around this corner?
Rapunzel, let down your hair.
To be fair, it's a long way down.
Yeah.
Come on, stop the apples and pears while we're here. Stop the apples and
Whatever you
pears.
do, don't touch them.
Oh, it's not too bad, folks. That's like the old wet paint thing, innit?
Yeah.
Don't touch wet paint, you've got to touch it, haven't you? You literally have to touch it. Now, I'll be honest, folks, I'm not good with heights.
Are you getting a bit wobbly?
It'll be. Bonjour. Oh, Jesus, tonight. I'm not good with this.
Are you getting a bit wobbly? Do you want me to
Yeah.
take it off? Yeah.
Fucking hell, legs have gone and everything. Shit.
Sean's gone a bit wobbly. But yeah, we're not even at the top, so I think I'm gonna have to go to the top on my own. Oh yeah, because you can go up there as well, you see guys. Well worth a visit, I'll have you know. Speak to you soon. Ooh. So the bike's parked over there somewhere. Sean needs a bit wobbly.
Don't like heights.
But yeah, let's walk around the castle grounds. What are you doing there, babe?
I'm alright, I'm just not looking down.
Don't look
I'll
down.
just come up and not enjoying the view. Nah, it's alright, I'm not too bad. Just them stairs up way up there, I weren't a lover of them. And there was people coming up, pressuring me. They were pressurising me.
No one's pressuring yet. Yeah, that's where we've just walked from there.
Yeah, there's some steps at the side, though, isn't there?
At the
that
back.
go up and they are pretty exposed. I know, I'm a tart, I know, yeah. Okay.
Nice and cool in there.
Well, it's cool anywhere, is it?
Wow! Never thought we'd be doing this like this morning. And right to the end. Oh, Don't look down, Sean. So we're going to walk down there soon.
Yes, that's where we were.
Yeah, we were parked over there.
Just walk normally, I'll take the picture.
Right. They're all coming up now.
Alright. Hang on a minute.
Merci beaucoup.
Well, this is
One of those people franked us there.
oh, should have tripped him over. Ignorant bastards. Come on. It's roasted. It's proper roasted.
Yeah.
Living in two different worlds, trying to make them both work. Living in two different worlds, trying to make them both work.
Ready?
Well, folks, this isn't quite the video. Oh, fuck off. Start it again. Well, folks, they're not quite. Oh, fucking Christ in heaven. Stop it. Do it again. Well, folks, not quite the videos we'd hoped for. First of all, my problem. Fucking Christ. It's fucking tree now. I've not made one mistake all the time. This is recording it. I can't fucking speak. I can't speak.
You ready?
Stop it. Fuck me. Stop it. Stop it. I've got it now. Stop it. Stop it. Just do it again. Do it again. Just let me know. Just stop it. I don't even want to fuck. I can't even breathe now. I'm fucking deaf in this ear. Ready? Go. Well, folks, not quite the videos we'd hoped for. Because Faye's got a fucking cough now.
Right. No more.
You can't cough for a minute.
Oh no.